How to fix Instagram story no sound. So all you have to do is to go here to your Instagram application, right? Now let us upload a video here. Let's look for a video that has a sound here. For example, this video, this actually has a sound. And the next thing that you want to do is to, of course, for example, you have chosen your video. You can cut it anywhere you want. So let's say this part and then tap on done there. Now, there is a possibility that your story does not have a sound is because you have toggled off the mute on the upper right upper part. You will see sound icon, text icon, the sticker icon, the effects, and the three dots there. So tap on the sound icon there. Make sure that there is no diagonal line to that so that your video still has the sound. And basically just share your video here. Tap on share, tap on done. And then once we go back here to our video, you can hear a sound on your Instagram story. And basically that is all for today. If this video helped you, give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.